Thank you so much for tuning in to Watch Fox News at 5. I'm Freddie Clairvaux. The first person to be charged under Richland County's hate intimidation ordinance will remain in jail on federal hate crime charges. 34-year-old Jonathan Felkel facing those charges in federal court this morning. Our Mike White was inside that courtroom. He joins us live now from the Matthew Perry Federal Courthouse in downtown Columbia. Mike, what can you tell us?
Freddie, Jonathan Felkel signing a not guilty plea this morning here at the Matthew Perry Federal Courthouse. Now, this is coming after he was indicted on December 18th for violating the housing rights of his black neighbor, Jarvis McKenzie, and using a firearm in the commission of a crime of violence. This morning, dozens were in attendance in the courtroom waiting for the next steps of this case.
The state government should continue to prosecute this to show that hateful conduct used with the ability to kill somebody with a firearm deserves no place in the community. The federal government should do the same, and I think the facts speak for themselves.
According to court documents, on July 17th, Jonathan Felkel fired a gun at attorney Tyler Bailey's client Jarvis McKenzie in the Spring Valley neighborhood where both men lived. In the video, you can hear Felkel shout, quote, "You better keep running, boy," while McKenzie was standing at the gate of the community waiting for his ride to work.
He showed hate, he showed bias, and he actually executed on that when he fired the gun. And so he's never told me he's a racist, but I believe he is exhibited racial animus.
Over the summer, Felkel was the first to be charged under Richland County's newly passed hate intimidation ordinance. Because South Carolina doesn't have a statewide hate crime law, the feds got involved, hitting him with the federal charges. He faces up to 10 years in prison on the charges. Prosecutors asking the judge Tuesday to keep Felkel in custody without bond. Felkel waived his right to a detention hearing and will remain in jail.
We made the decision to request detention and oppose any bond. We do that whenever we fear that someone is a danger to the community or a risk of flight. And given the facts of this case, as well as the charges that Mr. Felkel is facing, we felt strongly that he is a danger to the community and that he should remain detained.
Felkel's attorney, Charles George, is reserving his right to file a motion for a detention hearing. The deadline for that is January 20th. If filed, victim Jarvis McKenzie will be notified several business days before the hearing, where it will be determined if Felkel is given a federal bond. While McKenzie wasn't wounded in July, his attorney says he's still suffering.
As long as Felkel's behind bars and has access to firearm, things are a little more comfortable for him with the direct threat from Felkel that he received. He still has other anxieties that he deals with as a result of this.
Now, McKenzie was not in attendance at this morning's arraignment, and when asked about it, attorney Tyler Bailey says that McKenzie wants to enjoy the rest of his holiday season, as this past one has been a very stressful one for him. Reporting in Columbia, Mike White. Watch Fox News, Local First.